everybody, here we go, day 2, back down here in Wyoming. We got the local news out. Also have RJ Corman out. Not sure if they're coming in to get the cars and stuff or not. They're still laying over in the parking lot of the old gas station, not sure. Oh yeah, there you go. They got the hopper car over on the flatbed over there. Let this truck back up. Get a shot out of there. All right, well, here now that the truck scoots back, you can see the covered hopper laying on the low bed over there. Not exactly sure where they're going to take all this stuff. I would assume somewhere downtown, but looks like they're finally starting to get to the rail cars that derailed. There you go, you can see everything. So they got the parking lot all filled up with maintenance away. You got RJ Corman out. You got Channel 5 down here. The RJ Corman side booms over there. They're gonna start probably working on that tank car because they already got the covered hopper loaded up over there. That's the car that spilled all the plastic pellets. I was showing last night, they were all over the crossing. They got the vac trucks here. I assume they're gonna try to get the rest of that cleaned up today, if not tomorrow. But we'll stick around and see if we can't see one of the cars getting put up on the low beds. I think that'd be pretty cool. All right, there you go, through the trees. They're starting to load up the axles and the trucks. Just loaded one up there. Not sure if you're able to see it or not. They're moving those around. Like I said, you got the news out here. Covered hopper over there. Sounds like they're getting ready to go. They're starting to get everyone cleared out. So they might be getting ready to move that. And the vac trucks, maintenance away. Still not 100% on what happened, but it was severe enough to where they had to replace a good portion of main 1 there. I don't know if you can see the silver rail over there is the new stuff that they put in yesterday morning through the afternoon, and they ran yesterday's M361 over it, and that was the first train to roll over it. They did a real slow roll by and everything like that. And they're bringing Laughlin PD down, so I wonder if they're going to be have an escort. I'd assume they would. I don't know, not sure. But not sure where exactly they're going to be taking these either. I would assume somewhere back down towards Queensgate, but not sure. Alrighty folks, there we go. We got another axle in his claw there. I doubt you're able to see anything through the trees. This is really about as close as I can get, because the bears are just right there. Alright, just checking the signal. We got a green. So it looks like we'll have a train coming through. There's a green on 1, because I can see the red lights up on the right side and below it. There's no red on the top left, so there'll be a train coming through soon, so that'll be pretty cool. And there they got some of the track equipment up there on track 2. As far as I know, they didn't have to replace anything on main 2. It was just the section they put in on main 1, which is over the crossing here. And there was a car when the vac truck was coming over from across the street there. They moved these signs out so he could get through, and a car came up and drove halfway over the crossing, got stuck in the gap there because they didn't put the road panels back in. He was able to get out, but he was backing out. He backed right into that spot right there. His wheel fell in. That was about 10 minutes ago. But eventually we'll have a train coming through, so that should make this pretty interesting. The track equipment up there keeps setting off the gates. That's why they keep going off. But eventually there'll be a train that'll get talked through here. L425 going back to Connorsville. Made its away car. Just like we saw last night with the new NS covered hoppers, there's some new ones you're going to start seeing sprinkled in freight trains, stuff like that. See them more on Connorsville than anything else. Rail pretty good. There you go, here come the trash cars. Pretty good. All you can hear is them rolling over the joints. One thing I just noticed, I'm gonna step back, is looking at the rail on the ground here. I had my foot pretty close to that. When I took a step back, I don't want that to roll over. It doesn't look like it would, but you never know, things can happen. Oh yeah, there you go. Check that out. A little bit of a race there right at the end. They've still got the covered hopper up on the flatbed there, haven't taken that out. And you got the two tank cars over there with the side booms. Look like they might be getting ready to move one of them. There you go, L425 going back to Connorsville. There you go, comes our next one.